Hey there mga may love Sagittarius! Happy New Year! Sagittarius, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang support and isa na namang taon yung magkakasama tayo dito, no? Wish ko sa ating lahat ay magkaroon ng bountiful and prosperous na year 2025 and so forth na mga susunod na mga taon pa. And healthy na body at pangangatawan, no? So, fast recovery sa mga may karamdaman at sakit, no? Magaling na sila, no? And yun nga 'no, is magkaroon tayo ng healthy living ngayong year 2025. So, hi and hello new viewers! Ako po si Yan, welcome here. Sa mga returning kong tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay. Sobrang na-appreciate ko each and every one of you guys. So, kung hindi niyo pala knows mga babes, meron po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay din dyan, hindi ko kayo pipigilan, no? Basta just take only what resonates with you guys. And yes, mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung roles kung gusto ninyo kasi isa naman itong general reading. And at the end of the day, palagi po kayong may free will nga. Free yung gamitin anytime, anywhere. Cross-watchers ni Saji, welcome ka din. May Sagittarius placement sa kanilang natal or birth chart, welcome din po here. So as you can see, meron tayong two decks. We have here the Angel of the Day deck and the Demon of the Day deck. So when we say demon, hindi naman agad demon, agad. May role din na binigay si God, no, sa mga demons, no. They're, most likely present lang, no, sa ating mga hardships, sa mga difficult times, sa mga challenges, test na mga situations, no. Hindi para kastiguhin tayo, but for us to overcome our fears, to help us recognize our weaknesses and know our strength. They push us to our limits, no, para ma-recognize natin that we have the power, we have the strength, no, para malampasan even the hardest situations na haharapin natin in life. So, let's begin. Kuha tayo rito ang inyong Demon of the Day. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with the angels and guides of Sagittarius, who is their Demon of the Day? Can you please show me? Demon of the Day ni Sagittarius, can you please show me? Okay. Demon of the Day mo, Sagittarius AC? Shocks. Yan o. Hindi ito, shocks. Dito nakakagulat or whatever, no? Good fortune via money or material possessions is easier to acquire than you think. Apply yourself. So, maaring meron kayo ngayong struggle pagdating sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyo ritong pentacles, coins, mapa negosyo man ito, mapa trabaho, no? So, okay, nandito si Demon Shocks, no? To remind you to overcome pwedeng iba kasi sa inyo na tinatamad kayo, no? Dahil yung work ninyo possible na nakakatamad kasi merong mga bagay-bagay na posibleng nagiging conflict na para magawa ninyo ng maayos yung work ninyo, no? So, nandito si Demon Shocks, no? To make you realize na kaya nyo yan, na mapagtagumpayan at may naghihintay na reward sa inyo, no? I-look forward ninyo yung marireceive ninyong salary, yung income ninyo, no? At yung iba parang meron ditong situation kung saan kailangan yung i-handle ito. Baka meron kayong ma-receive or bigyan kayo ng job task or work task dito na parang feeling ninyo, ay ang hirap ata nito. Parang hindi ko ata kaya ito. Kunyari, may binigay sa inyo na kailangan yung ma-meet yung ganitong quota, no? Or whatever, no? So parang kayo to, you're in doubt, but Demon Shocks wants you to know na it's easier to earn or acquire money, yan, no? Or good fortune sa inyong trabaho, basta, una sa lahat, change your mindset. Be positive and disapply yourself also means believe in your own strength, no? Believe in yourself. Yan. So, Demon Shocks will push you to your limits, no? Para lumabas or ma-bring out ang iyong confidence, no? Kasi para rin sa'yo yan, no? Meron ditong opportunity sa pera, no? Na kailangan mo lang ditong ikaw yung mismong mag-showed up, no? Interesado ka dyan, no? Pero yun nga, posibleng may doubts ka. So, you need to release those doubts in order for you to receive that good fortune in money. So, kuha na rin tayo ng angel of the day ninyo. Saji, your angel of the day. Sagittarius, your angel of the day. Who is the angel of the day for Sagittarius? Okay, so angel of the day mo, Sagittarius, let's see. Angel of the day is Daniel. Si Angel Daniel is here. Have you made a decision? Have you make a decision to make? Weigh your options with Daniel or Angel Daniel to find the path, you know. So, maaring meron ditong big decision na pinag-iisipan kayo, pero posibleng may humaharang, may mountains, may barriers that you need to break down your own walls. So, si Angel Daniel, no, ang tutulong sa inyo na tumawag kayo sa kanya na pag nag-pray kayo, ano, pray with Angel or together with Angel Daniel para mas malaman ninyo, lalo na kapag meron kayong mga nakalatag na mga plano, plan A, B, C, D, no? Or mga target goals or mga possible na mga decisions na gagawin ninyo, no? Nandito si Angel Daniel para tulungan kayong pumili, no? Kung ano yung dapat ninyong gawing desisyon, no? Ibig sabihin nito, para marinig nyo siya kasi hindi naman siya pwede ditong lumabas at magpakita ng harap-harapan sa inyo. Kasi baka himatayin kayo, no? So, pwede kayong humingi ng sign with Angel Daniel. Call upon his name, no? The Angel Daniel, so that he can give you the right signs. No? Pwede kayong mahingi ng specific signs. Angel Daniel, gusto niyo po bang gawin ko tong planong ito? Plan A na ito. Can you please show me color blue butterfly within the day? Ganon. Okay? Kahit na anong sign, Saji. Okay? Now, let's move on to getting more messages para sa inyo. Saji. Messages, other informations for Sagittarius, please. Saji. By the way, mas presence pala, no, yung mas strong, I mean, no, yung inyo ritong connection with the divine unseen forces between, no, madaling araw, like 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. So, pag nagising kayo ng ganyang oras, huwag kayo agad bumalik sa tulog, mga mahal. Lalo na kung nanghihingi kayo ng signs and clues, no? It is because they are more likely active talking to you. So, you're gonna receive the downloads during those times, okay? So, do not sleep yet. So, we have here for you, Saji, the Devil. You also have here, guys, the Nine of Coins. Excuse me. Wheel of Fortune ay present din dito. King of Cups andito rin po. Empress energy is here as well. We also have here the Hangman. So, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 major arcanas, no? Meaning to say, malaki yung kinalaman ni universe sa mga nangyayari at mangyayari sa life mo, no? It is more likely orchestrated. They're helping you out, no? Especially, wow, coins, no? Money. We also have here bottom of the deck, the Sun. See? Sun card energy, Hierophant. Wow. And, Six of Coins. Unahin na natin, no? Nine of Coins to the Empress energy. Ang ganda. Maraming palay, marami ritong aanihin na pera, no? May negosyo man kayo rito or nagtatrabaho kayo sa isang company, may recognition, may pagtingin sa high pedestal, kayo rito mauupo. There could be credit sa inyo ritong salary, no? So, nakita ko rito yung pag-unlad sa inyong money. It's kind of slow, yes, but this is something here that's gonna be permanent. sa inyo, no? Tuloy-tuloy na yung pasok nito sa inyo, no? So, I'm seeing you stepping from this Nine of Coins energy to Empress, no? Yung iba nakita ko rito, no, na um, sa kalaunan, kung kayo ay nagtatrabaho sa isang kumpanya, possible na mag-resign kayo dyan at magtayo ng sarili ninyong negosyo. May ganun tayo nakukuha dito. Because kaya mo na yan. Because you will step into this type of Empress energy. You have the money to establish something like business, like anything that you want na pagkakitaan dito. Yan. So, may ganun. So, the wheel starts turning right here also in the favor of you, ikaw naman ngayon, yung mga babes, no, magbibigay. Kasi bibigyan ka dito ni universe ng mga blessings, no, na kahit minsan hindi mo naisip na marireceive mo, ibig sabihin with the hangman energy, wheel of fortune, hindi mo na-imagine na makaka-receive ka ng ganitong klase ng opportunity. When it comes to money and coins, mataba ang wallet, mataba ang ATM dito mga babes, no? At dahil binigyan ka ni universe, universe also wants you to share it with other people. So you can be able to spread yung blessings mo with your families and friends, with the loved ones. Kung gusto mo sa charity din, no? Sa mga charities, sa mga kailangan rito ng food, money, feeding the street children, giving to orphanage, no, mga ganun. So, whatever the case may be, kung ano yung bibigay sa'yo ni universe, they want you to share mo yun sa iba. Okay? Dahil yun yung way para mas bumalik pa sa'yo yung blessings, no? Okay? Sa mga susunod na mga taon. See? Napakadali lang, di ba? Yun lang yung gusto ni universe, no? Bibigyan ka niya, bibiyayaan ka niya ng siksik, liglig at umaapaw na biyaya sa inyong money, coins, pentacles, but you need to share it with other people. Yan. And maliban dyan mga babes, no, universe also wants you to know that there's someone here hindi nalalayo sa age ninyo. Medyo nahihiya lang siya rito, no. Yung iba, kung boyfriend, girlfriend nyo na ito, no, parang may sasabihin siya ritong something sa inyo na posibleng kinakabahan siya. Alam niya kasing may pagkamataray kayo eh, no? Or may pagka, wala tayong gender ha, may pagka masungit kayo ng very, very light, no? Lalo na kapag nagwo-work kayo, no? Parang ayaw ninyo nang naiistorbo kayo, no? Yan. Pero your person right here is someone who appears as the King of Cups. We do not have any gender, okay? Ba, lalaki, LGBT. So, kung sino to, this person here, hindi lang siya ganun ka romantic publicly in expressing his or her emotions and feelings, but this person loves you to the point that you are the only one para sa kanya, sa kanyang isip at puso. This person right here is living in his or her own island, fantasizing a happy life with you. So definitely someone here wants to tell you something, but I do pick up that this will brighten your day and this will make your heart happy and magpa-flatter ka rito, no? May ganong klase ng energy. This person, if boyfriend, girlfriend mo pa lang siya, this person I'm sensing a little bit shy and nervous. Maybe this person here wants to tell you something about marriage, settling down together, something that will make your heart flatter, no? Pero this person right here kinakabahan. Lalo na busy kayo rito no, sa inyong work. No? Hindi naman ibig sabihin wala na kayong time sa kanya. Pero pag busy kasi kayo sa work, parang ayaw ninyo yung nagagambala kayo. No? Kunwari ganito, no? Nagbibilang kayo, 1,001, 1,002. Nag-inventory kayo, tapos tinawag kayo nito. No? Ano ba yun? Nawala ko sa bilang. Yan, di ba? Parang ganong klase na energy. Ayaw ninyo magpa-istorbo, no? Detailed, focus-oriented rin kayo sa inyong work, no? May ganun. Strict kasi kayo rito, especially when it comes to your work, but you love your job. You love your business, no? Or you could have both. So, another message I'm seeing right here, you have someone sa inyong energy na hindi pa lumalapit, but this person right here is someone who appears to be the third person. Hindi siya yung third party, hindi rin siya third wheel, pero pwede rin siguro nating siyang i-categorize as third wheel, third person. But this person here has this obsession sa inyo. Yeah, may energy siya rito na gusto niya kayong i-possess or maging kanya ritong pag-aari. But I do not think na mapupunta kayo sa kanya or maaagaw niya kayo from your person, no? Na boyfriend, girlfriend mo or your husband right here. No? Because this person is someone who cannot control how you feel and what you feel. Yan. Pero, don't worry kasi hindi ko nakikitang kikidnapin niya kayo, no, or gagawa siya rito ng physical na hindi maganda, no. But this person, I think, iinis ka lang kasi parang obvious na pupunta-puntahan ka niya, no, or kukulit-kulitin ka niya, i-cha-chat ka niya, te-text ka niya. So, ngayon wala pa siyang ginagawang movement. But soon, this person will make a move, no. And this is a continuous, uh, actions. Yun yung nakikita natin dito. For the new love naman, for my single Sagittarians out there, I'm seeing new person coming in into your life. This is single. This is someone here who is ready to mingle. And this person here is possible na kung sino man siya, maganda yung kanyang background, maganda yung kaperahan, maganda rin yung ugali niya. Yun ang importante at pinaka-importante sa lahat. I'm seeing marriage line sa inyo. So, posibleng siya na rin talaga yung makatuluyan mo. Kung sino man siya, there's something with this person's here. Maybe, siya ito na palaging suklay na suklay or may ginagawa siya lagi sa buhok niya, baka nilalagyan niya everyday ng pomada, mga ganon, or ng hairspray, or nag-aayos siya, nagkukulot siya ng hair, or maybe this person here is doing some kind of a coloring yung kanyang hair, no? Styling it, may ganun. Okay? So baka this person here is someone na doing something na madalas sa kanyang hair, no? But I do not think that this person here is someone who is vain, okay? But this person here, yeah, may itsura, no? At ang maganda, pinaka-importante, no, yung ugali, no? Very impressive. So I think whatever this energy is, no, may pera siya pero simple lang siyang manamit. No? Yung iba sa inyo, ang magiging first impression nyo, kuripot siya. Practical lang, no? And at the same time, no, this person here, maganda kasi balanse yung kanyang life. Yun nga lang, no, I think the challenge would be, matagal rin kasi siyang naging independent. Like, matagal siyang naging single, no? So, parang, yun yung magiging challenge dito. Bakit? Kasi yung love cell niya or yung energy niya of love, no? Possible na hindi niya na alam how to how to start a relationship, how to court someone, no, or whatever. May ganun. Pero I think, sa kalaunan, magiging okay din ang lahat. So yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. I'm seeing a lot of positive with the Sun card energy coming your way. Opportunities in love and in career and in your life in general. So claim this. And again, I'm your Yana Oni, Ate Yana. Yun yun, no? Sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.